The journey of authentic Canadian poutine begins here, deep in the rich soil of a massive potato farm.
Keep the temperature steady at 95.
Roger that. The flow rate looks good.
Every day, thousands of liters of high-quality Canadian milk arrive to be transformed into our signature cheese curds.
Inside the freezing tunnel, powerful fans circulate freezing air, transforming the hot fries into the frozen product you see here.
Temperature holding steady at 3 degrees.
Good. Log that for the HACCPR report.
The key to perfect poutine gravy is the precise mixture of thickening agents and high-quality broth. Here in the purification room, the gravy undergoes intense filtration, ensuring a perfectly smooth pour every time.
Check the manifest on aisle 4.
We need that gravy pallet moving now.
All right, drivers, we are clear. Convoy 54, roll out. Next stop, Montreal.
Pallet 32 is secured.
All right, seal her up. We're clear to go.
We need more gravy up front.
I heard that. Coming right up.
The automated dispensers ensure every tray receives an even portion of these fresh Canadian cheese curds.
Keep the flow consistent. Looks good from here. Looks good from here. Keep the line moving. We're backed up.
How do these portions look?
They're good. Push them out. Watch the next batch. Alignment is off.
Fixed it, sending them through.
Order 73, large classic combo.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
We need more gravy on line 3.
Coming right up. Keep the curds moving.
Large classic poutine, cutlery included.
75, heading to the window.
Order 76, 2 regular poutines.
Packing now. Where's the large?
Coming right up.
Order 72, large poutine with extra gravy.
That's mine. Thank you.
This is the best poutine I've ever had. Seriously, the gravy is perfect.
Look at that cheese pull. This is amazing.
Absolutely. To the best poutine ever. This is the best poutine I've ever had.
Seriously, the gravy is perfect and the cheese squeaks.
From humble farm potatoes and dairy curds
to the finished mass-market dish enjoyed by customers everywhere.
Here's your large poutine. Enjoy. Thanks very much. Keep the change.
All right, guys, 2 large classic wings coming right up. Enjoy the meal.
This is the best poutine I've ever had. Seriously, the gravy is incredible.
Get in there before it's gone. Seriously, this is the best poutine in the city.
You say that every time, but I think you're right. The gravy is unbelievably good. I need more. This is the best poutine I've ever had.
Yeah. I know, the gravy is perfect. This is the best gravy I've ever had.
You should try the smoked meat next time.
And so the journey is complete. From simple ingredients to a steaming bowl of comfort, poutine truly is the taste of Canada.